All right, bro. So I just wanted to make this quick video for you to show you what it's gonna hit like. So it's my engine bay right now, and you can see it's pretty clean because I already hit it one time, but it's gonna be a little bit more hidden after I hit it with something, and then I'm gonna come back with something else and I'm gonna show you what I hit it with. Basically, this the shit right here I was telling you about, the awesome. Put in a bottle. That shit been sitting there for hella long though. I didn't just fill it up, but that's the fucking awesome right there. And you get that shit in there. I'm gonna spray it on the towel. I'm not gonna spray it on the thing, cause my partner said if you just spray it on the towel and do it that way, it's better than spraying it on the surface. But if you're doing a big surface, like if I was doing this whole cover, I just spray it on the cover and, you know, let it sit for a minute. But I would take the cover off. I wouldn't leave the cover on there, so that way then the shit would be dripping down and shit like that. But yeah, man, that's where we at with it. I'm gonna hit you with another video once I wipe this shit down.